Welcome, this is the academic channel and we are in the progress of our research report or thesis writing lesson. Today we are just proceeding with the second part of the research or thesis, which is the body of the research or thesis. We saw that the body of the research is made up of chapters. Therefore, today we are going to begin with chapter 1, which is sometimes known as the general introduction of the research or thesis. It is the general introduction of the research or thesis because it comprises the general setting of the research problem or thesis. The chapter is made by the background of the study, statement of the problem, objectives of the study, research questions, significance of the study, scope of the study, limitations of the study, structure or organization of the dissertation. The structure or organization of the dissertation, this is special for the dissertation. In short, you can say that this is special for the master degree and not for bachelor degree. And lastly, the chapter comprises of the definition of the key themes. Now we shall pass through one after another in detail in order to know how to set them. Let us begin the background of the study. The background of the study in deep explain about the problem. There are some criteria that are used to set the background of the study. Firstly is the brief explanation of the problem. Here you have to briefly explain the real meaning, or you have to provide the definitions of the problem. And you are supposed to pass through different sources such as books, dictionaries, authorities, and provide the definition or meaning or explanation about the real meaning of that problem. Then next, you have to explain the problem worldwide. You have to show how the world perceive the existing problem. This means that you have to pass through the world leading authorities and organizations on how they perceive, how they speak about the existing problem that you are going to research for. Next, you have to look the problem countrywide. Here you have to show how the authorities of the country or the organizations that found within the country, how do they perceive or explain or talk about the problem that you are going to research for. Then specifically explain the problem as seen in the area of your study. Here you have to see how the existing community as well as local government within your area of study or within the case study, how do they talk about the problem that you supposed to go for investigation. Let us look some extracts on how to set the problem. As you can see, this is the background of the study, and here is a brief explanation about the meaning of the problem that is under investigation. Therefore, you have to see how some authorities, organizations, books, and other writings, how do they provide the meaning of that problem. For instance, this researcher went more on looking how Africa see the problem, as well as came to the countrywide, explained about how does the country perceive that problem. They then came specifically to the area that he used as a case study. How do that community of that place perceive to that problem? And in addition, you have to show why did you go for investigation to that problem at the last paragraph of your research. Thank you for listening. You are welcome in the next lesson that concerns the statement of the problem. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more lessons. Share to others as well as leave your comment. Thank you and welcome.